Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Microsoft Learn badges into LinkedIn profile step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Learn website. Sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Badges to view all the badges you have earned. Choose the badge you wish to transfer to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the badge to open its details page. Look for an option that says Share or Transfer and click on it. A sharing window will appear with various options. Select the LinkedIn sharing option. If prompted, log into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, choose the visibility settings for your badge. You may have the option to add a brief description or message along with the badge. Review the information for accuracy before proceeding. Click on the Post or Share button to transfer the badge to your LinkedIn profile. After posting, navigate to your LinkedIn profile to check if the badge appears. You may need to refresh your profile page to see the changes. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your Microsoft Learn badge to your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.